I feel like it's a lazy Sunday, right? So I'm only doing, so I do a little bit every day to organize the house and get everything clean, to know what I have. And today I've decided we're going to do behind the kitchen sink. We're gonna decorate it a little bit for Christmas. And here's what I'm talking about. Let me turn you around. So I like this area behind the sink because I have this open space here. So I normally put like a cloth on it or something to absorb any water that would spill because I have a seam. That's cute. It had a baby. I have a seam there. So I'm gonna start by, I have the kitchen sink filled with soapy water. She's busy over there, Martha. Remember now, I don't buy anything when I decorate. I just use what I have. Okay, see the seam? That's why I have a cloth there covering it up. I'm gonna start by wiping everything off. So I wiped everything off so everything's clean. And I'll go find some stuff around the house to put there. I found this tablecloth, so I folded it in a triangle and hopefully this will fit. I like the little Christmas geese. Okay, so I want it a little bigger, so I'm going to have to cheat it back a little bit. Let's start that. Or maybe I'll leave it. I don't know yet. Okay, so I kind of centered it. I cheated it back a little bit just so water wouldn't get in that seam right there. So that looks good. Next, I need a plate. We have to find a Christmas plate now in the house somewhere. Okay, so I found that book. I needed it to rise a little bit of height. So I found I love decorating with books. And so I found a red and white book to match this. Simple. And then that little plate holder. And that Christmas tree plaid plate, I thought that looked cute with this cloth right here. Okay, so that's where we're at so far. Looking good. You guys want to come with me? I'm gonna go downstairs to see if I have anything Christmassy to put over there. Cold down here. I have to start a fire. Okay, let's see. We got a lot of things to choose from. Oh, this is cute. Right? I can't get it out. Cute sign, that's an option. Put this up there. Let's see what else we have. There's a Christmas tree up there. See it? You can't see it. It's in the corner there. That would be cute. Okay, let me go through these boxes. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so I like that better than the plate. Do you guys like that better? I found this downstairs in the box, the Santa picture, and then along with this Santa Toyland. So I took those away, the charger and the plate. Here's what we have to work with. So I just brought this box up from the basement. I was tired of digging through it down there. So I think I need to fill in like right there and there underneath. Maybe with like an ornament. Let's see if that works. When you're decorating, like, you just have to play around with things. I'm laughing because this guy is sitting by the ledge and there's the ice rink out there. We turned that into an ice rink. So he wants to go ice skating. Isn't he cute? He can wait right there till we flood the rink. So I've put these two ornaments right there. I like the polka dots because there's polka dots in there. And I like the green because it brings out the green. I mean, you don't have to exactly match when you're decorating. It's just what you like. I think that looks pretty cute. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, we have one of these now. Here's a train that would fit. Does this take batteries? That's an old train. Oh, let's put batteries in it to see if it works. What size? Okay, I'm gonna go get some batteries. This would be cute. Right there. So it's higher there, it comes down a little bit, and then there at that. Do you guys have this space behind your kitchen sink? This is a farmhouse sink. I wanted the sink here when we built the house so I could see out the windows. Okay, let's go get some batteries and see if that puppy works. That would be cute if it did. I have no idea. It works. I don't know. Let's see. Santa's in there with some little kids and a little elf. So I don't know how this works anyway. Okay, I'm thinking I do more. That needs to be higher right there. I need another book. Okay, so I made it higher. That looks better. Okay, and I think that might be it. I think less is more sometimes, right? I think that's simple and cute and makes all the little kids happy when they walk in. And my little 3-year-old granddaughter made me this card. She's a crafter. 3 years old, and she did all those little stripes. She was in the basement working so hard. Isn't that adorable? I love that. That's staying here. That makes me happy. Yep, I think that's it. I have the Santa, but I don't know, it doesn't really fit there, does it? Let's try it. Nope. I mean, I could put it like right here. That's cute. Oh, that's cute there. What do you guys think? Keep the Santa or lose the Santa? It gives the middle some interest. Okay. Okay, so that was my task for today, and I'm so glad you guys joined me. Any suggestions, recommendations? Do you like it better with the train or without the train? Let me know. Thanks, you guys. So I edited out. I took the kid away because he didn't match what was going on here. So here's my final. I removed the Santa sign there, so everything, so your eye goes directly that way and there's no clutter on the sides. I mean, I could put some garland on the windows, but I think I just like it simple. I think that looks good right there. Okay, you guys comment below. Tell me if I should be putting garland on the windowsills, right? Both that way, or just leave it. So here's the final look. I added that centerpiece for the snack bar. And I added this plate right there. Put it right there. And that's behind the sink. And then the Christmas curtains. And that's all I'm going to do. My Christmas hand towel. What do you guys think? You guys are the best with recommendations and suggestions. Yep, that's it.